can we look at the responsibilities? What responsibilities should be documented in the procurement management plan? Well, like I said, procurement is part of what? Project management. And therefore, in project management, you should have a procurement management what? Plan. At the project planning what? Stage. And there are some responsibilities that should be documented in the procurement management plan. And these responsibilities are: one, preparing of the procurement statement of work or the terms of reference. Because in procurement, there will be a contract between two parties, and one party is supposed to undertake certain activities. It is right for us to have a term of reference that the other party, who happens to be the contractor, or both parties can, resort to be able to undertake the contract. Now you need to prepare a high-level cost estimate, which is very key to determine the budget, so that you do not spend more than necessary in executing, the project. Now you advertise the opportunity. You advertise so that you will get a group of people or a number of people applying, so you can choose the best out of those who have applied, that's the tenders, to enable you get the best option to execute the project. Now you identify a short list of qualified sellers. Of course, if you advertise the opportunity, it gives you the opportunity to shortlist the best. You prepare and issue bid documents, and then you prepare and submit proposals by the seller. You conduct a technical evaluation of the proposal, including quality. You perform a cost evaluation of the proposals. You prepare final combined quality and cost evaluation to select winning proposal. And then you finalize negotiations, sign contract between the buyer and the seller to start the execution of the project. Now you realize that I have summarized the processes you go through in what? In awarding a contract.